It's Neil here from Clean. Hope you can see this. This is a porcelain tile, I'm pretty sure. It's a type of, well, maybe a ceramic tile actually. As you can see, this customer's got a dog. Now here you can see I've done two tests on cleaning the tile. Pressure cleaning does not clean this kind of dirt, so you have to know which chemical to do, and before you use the chemical you should test it like I have here to check what's going to be effective. So obviously then I've just mixed up the correct dilution here. I'm just going to start applying it onto the tiles. Yeah, I already tried to just clean it with water, even hot water, and it hasn't come up. So this is where you need to kind of know what you're doing with chemicals so that you can get the results that you need to do to get customers happy. So yeah, I just want to show you that it's really important to know what the soilage type is as well. In this case it's quite obvious, but you've also got to know what surface you're working on. You know, is it a porcelain tile? Is it natural stone? Is it a ceramic tile? Because obviously certain chemicals would not be wise to use on certain stones or surfaces or concrete, you know, for example. So yeah, so I'm just putting the chemical down, and then I'm going to obviously let it sit and dwell so that it can work and do its thing, and then we'll be washing it. Alright, so I hope that's helpful. I'll show you the results as we go through. So we're at the cleaning stage now, folks, so let it dwell now, and away we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Go, folks, that's the sweetness of chemicals. Look at that, it's come up absolutely beautiful, beautiful. Excuse my feet, I'll wash that down, but basically, yeah, it's come up right brand new. Hope you enjoyed the video.